Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Repo on your laptop or PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up your Steam account or application on your PC or laptop. Then from here, we want to do a search for Repo and then hit enter. And now we want to go ahead and click on the first one here. So this is Repo with that logo there. So the developer is SemiWork. So yeah, make sure you're on the right repo. Now from here, scroll down and look at the different options. So we can get early access to the game. So get instant access, start playing, get involved with this game as it develops. And from here below that will say buy repo, special promo. So you might have special promos here. So for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and click on add to cart. And now I want to go ahead and view my cart. And here's the game in my shopping cart. And now we want to go ahead and click to payment. So at the moment it's about $10 depending where your location is. And then from here, payment methods, please select the payment method. So you've got PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and then click continue. So if I want to do my MasterCard, I'm going to put in my information, click continue. Now after you've paid for it, you've got the option to download and install it and start playing Repo on your laptop or PC.